got some editing to do, haven't you?
Hi guys.
Hi Neil.
Hi. Hello Christopher.
Right, come on.
Pauline. Linda. Hi. Relax on your boat. Where's your mankini gone? Oh, down. Why, aye, man? You're right there.
Did you see your Thomas earlier when the harbour go up the end of there?
No, did you do it? It's to see you along with.
Eh?
It's to see you over with the fish. So we've got to say there's no fish in the sea. Just a log wind. Norma. Hello, Norma. Hello, lady.
Hello, sweetie.
Hi, guys. Hi. Hello there. Hello, Stuart. How are you, baby?
Hello, I'm doing alright.
Come on, get through
Bellies
there.
together.
Get through there.
Bellies together.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello, Jimmy.
I can all spend them all day.
Hello there, ladies. I'm leaving on, Mama.
Lady, are you?
I'm leaving on, Mama.
Neil, Jim, all stays.
Cause me a fucking walrus again as you in there.